Dear friends, now I am dictating elaboration part, that is about 4 minutes dictation. It contains 4 letters. This is of August 2014 examination paper of Tamil Nadu examination paper. Please get ready. Number 1. Sealed tenders are invited by the Sports Authority of India Training Center, Salem, from reputed caterers for providing catering service to 60 sports trainees residing at Mahatma Gandhi Stadium, Salem. Tender document can be obtained from the above office on payment of rupees 500 up to 5 pm on 20th October 2012. Earnest money deposit required is rupees 5000. Demand draft may be sent in favor of the officer in charge. Sports Authority of India, Salem. Filled up tenders should be submitted not later than 3 pm on 21st October. They will be opened at 4 pm on the same day in the presence of tenderers or their authorized representatives. Sports Authority of India has the right to accept or reject any tender without giving any reason therefor. Draft tender notice to be issued by the officer in charge. Number 2. Applications are invited for the post of Vice Principal, Rajghat Besant School, Varanasi. The school is affiliated to the Central Board of Secondary Education. The applicant must have a master's degree. He should have at least 10 years teaching experience. He should be between 40 and 50 years of age. Salary is negotiable between rupees 20,000 and rupees 25,000 per mensem. Free family accommodation on the campus will be provided. Free meals and free education of 2 children in the school will be provided. There will be also the usual benefits of a provident fund, gratuity, etc. All applications should reach the manager, Rajghat Besant School, Varanasi, on or before 10th October 2012. Draft advertisement. Number 3. The 4th annual general meeting of the shareholders of the Tamil Nadu Poultry Development Corporation Limited, Chennai, will be held in its registered office on Anna Salai, Chennai at 12 noon on 25th July 1977 to transact the following business, namely to adopt the director's report and the audited balance sheet of the corporation as on 31st March 1975 and the profit and loss account for the period ended that date, and to approve the change of name of the corporation as Tamil Nadu Poultry and Meat Industries Corporation Limited. Draft notice of meeting to be issued by the secretary of the company. Number 4. A boy studying in 8th standard in a private school was going to school on his bicycle in Egmore. He fell off the bike and came under the wheels of a concrete mixer that was being towed by a mini lorry. As a result, he suffered head injury and died on the spot. According to the principal of the school, the boy's school bag was caught in a hook of the truck which pulled him down. Driver of mini lorry arrested and remanded to judicial custody. Draft an eyewitness account of the accident.